Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can remove SIM card from Android. So at the start, make sure that you are equipped with a SIM injection tool similar to this one. Usually all smartphones come in with one, so check your packaging or the box from your device for a SIM injection tool, or if you don't have it, you can always use a needle, or perhaps the unfolded paperclip will do the trick just fine. Next, lock your device and look around your device's frame or around its sides. Specifically, you need to look underneath to either side, so left or right, as well as top part of the frame. And the thing that you are looking for is the SIM card slot. It usually looks something like that. So an outlined rectangle with rounded edges with a little hole drilled through it. Now take your injection tool, whatever is that you're equipped with, insert this tool all the way and then push it in. Once you will, the SIM card tray, as you can see, should pop right out. So from here, just use your fingers or nails to eject it all the way. Now simply remove the SIM card by slightly and very gently bending the tray so it actually releases the SIM card. And now you can return the slot back inside the phone, and that's how you make sure to align those holes, the hole on the frame and the hole on the SIM slot. And that's how you remove the SIM card from your Android smartphone. So should you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.